So this is another trade that is capturing my attention. This is a US dollar Japanese yen trade. As you can see, this is a weekly chart. The long-term move downwards from here to here. In my previous video, I mentioned that there's a couple of steps that you should take whenever you do any trading. As you can see here, the trend is still upwards, although there is a little bit flattening out here. So it's too small to be show any signs of danger for this one. So for now, this area, as you can see, is a very strong support area. There's a lot of anything that touches here will have some kind of bounce upwards. As you can see here, right? Yeah. So this tells us that this area is very strong. There is only two scenarios here. Momentum slows down further. Let's say the candle's getting smaller and smaller. And that is where you should be entering. Then just wait for it to have some kind of bounce back upwards. So the dollar will be strengthening against the Japanese yen soon. But this is a weekly chart, so it may take some time to play it out, maybe in a month or two, that the dollar will gain some traction against this Japanese yen. So if you're trading Japanese yen, you have Japanese yen in your pocket, start selling them. It's about time to change it to the dollar, and maybe there's some kind of bounce upwards in the coming months. Let's check out the daily chart. Well, the daily chart still shows negative, but yeah, this is the previous low. It respected it. So I expect some kind of move down to somewhere here, maybe, then retest the moving average. This is one of the scenarios possible for daily chart. As for weekly, we know it's going to bounce soon. So if you are playing currency on a long-term holding kind of instead of the short-term one, you're planning to roll over all your contracts. So this is a very good entry point for you. The nearer it is to this point, that when the momentum slows down, clear-cut sign of weakness, just like this kind, you see. It goes down all the way, strong, very strong candles. Suddenly the candle's getting smaller. So this shows that momentum is dying out. So what we're waiting for is a momentum dying out here, and then a bounce backward, maybe not to 160 level, but we might not taking it out. Most probably will go to somewhere 155 or even 157 area, or even 150. There's a strong support resistance in 150 here. So it might just another bounce up to 150 and then consolidates a bit. Because this is what I'm not so happy about. The moving average is actually flattening out. So it might be just a couple of candles, a small bounce maybe to here, and then it might go back down again. This is also another scenario. So we won't know until it happens. But for now, there's a rebound coming, maybe in the next 1 or 2 weeks time. There should be some kind of momentum slowing down and then a bounce upwards. First hurdle will be somewhere here. This first hurdle, and then if it breaks, maybe it consolidates a bit and then goes retest this area. Maybe even this area. So where do you think it will go? But then this US dollar is strengthening for sure, but in the coming weeks and months maybe. Okay, let's see. This is Tesla. Okay, Tesla looks good, right? Do you think it looks good? It's a very strong area, as you can see. And then it breaks, going upwards. The only thing that I'm not liking it is the momentum is still quite flattish. See, the moving average is not pointing upwards. So as long as it's not pointing outwards, the momentum upwards for Tesla is quite limited to maybe here. Oops, to this area somewhere here. 300 will be where it should go. Maybe here, then crash down again. But then let's hope the momentum goes up. Then there is something to play with. This is a weekly chart, so it may take weeks or maybe months to play out. So let's see. Aussie dollar versus the USD. Aussie dollar is strengthening. As you can see here, this is a weekly chart. The double bottom here is looking good. This is support area. Support areas here. So it just sort of like a bounce around this area. It's undecided where it will go. But then this candle actually shows that there is momentum upwards. So it might go and retest the moving average here. The moving average is pointing downwards, so it's not very good for the Aussie dollar. Okay, Euro JPY, let's see, Euro JPY. Euro JPY shows that it lacked momentum actually. The moving average still up, is good. Then this area is very strong, as you can see. It touches, every time it touches here, there's a bounce somehow. No matter how big or how small it is, there is a bounce. So that if you know about this and the price goes somewhere here, you should have entered somewhere here and then wait for a bounce upwards. So it did bounce from this around 156 or even 157 area all the way to 162. So it's not bad. It's not bad. It can be better. So because this area is still not broken yet, it should have come down here, maybe break above will be ideal target. So this is Euro JPY for long term. Okay. Yeah, Euro JPY. So let's check out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, oh, it's looking good. What do you think? See, every time there's a strong momentum upwards, creates an important point, a pullback, and goes upwards. Every time it pulls back, all the way down to this area. See? So this is a very valid uptrend. As you can see, the moving average pointing upwards. And the candles are getting bigger. I actually mentioned about this in my previous short videos. So you might want to check it out. My previous short videos, I mentioned that Bitcoin is going to have some kind of rebound upwards. So if you're trading Bitcoin, you would have nailed it here. But Bitcoin is very expensive, at least to me. I won't be trading Bitcoin. I'll most probably trading some other lesser known coins, which is okay, let's see Shiba Inu. Let's see SHIB. Oh, this is good. It looks good. You see, this is a previous resistance. This is support, resistance, then support, and support. So there's not too much activities here, as you can see that the moving average is still flat, as you can see here. So if there is some kind of activity that breaks above this one, consolidates, and continue upwards, that will be great. But for now, if you are planning to hold Shiba Inu for quite some time, you can buy somewhere around this area. buy it and maybe wait for a couple of months, then it might have another bounce upwards here, and you would have made quite a lot of money here. Just imagine this, about 200% plus, I think. So we do know about some kind of movement. I think Taiwan dollar. Taiwan dollar seems to have a NTD, right? Oh no. Okay, USD Taiwan dollar. Okay, look at here. Yeah, it goes up. Stepping upwards is good thing. But then it created some kind of double top here, which is not a good thing. When it breaks below this neckline, it crashes down, supported by this moving average. It will turn into flat moving average. As you can see, it pressed all the way down, and then buyers come in and start pushing the price upwards. So it should be hit all the way up here and then continue downwards if there's a downward momentum. So for now, this is a very scary chart. Try not to trade this one unless you have confidence in it. As you can see, all the candles are quite large, you know. Yeah, it's quite a big losing candles. The actual price is somewhere here right now. So it's not ideal trading for this one. As you can see, every time there's a strong pull goes up, there will be some kind of pullbacks, serious pullbacks. So it goes up and then a serious pullback. This one went up here, some kind of lack of momentum. The pullback is not that strong, and then another gone up here. So because this momentum did not go the usual way all the way down here, these build up the seller's momentum here, and when seller's momentum comes in, it pushes all the way down. So US dollar is weakening very strongly against the Taiwan dollar. So anyone have any idea why this thing is happening? Any news about it? So okay, let's see crude oil. Crude oil for now seems to be on a downtrend, right? Yeah. So all the lower highs, then it breaks this triangle and then goes all the way down. It's negative for Brent crude oil. This is a weekly chart, so it's quite a long momentum downwards. This moving average is pointing downwards as well. But then expect some kind of rebound for oil at the moment. As you can see, this one has gone quite a little bit away from this moving average. So expect some kind of move upwards here. Okay, let's see gold. Weekly chart gold still looks good. As you can see, is but then this is a very dangerous spot. I have mentioned this quite a few times as well. That although the moving average is still pointing upwards, but the price has overshoot the moving average quite a lot. So there is some kind of major pullback in the making soon. Something that will crash down maybe strongly all the way to this moving average. So let's check out the daily chart for this one. Yeah, it does shows weakness. As you can see here, every time there's a pullback, there's a stronger move upwards. It turns real parabolic from here on. So there's a strong pullback. Expect some kind of move upwards. But then I'm still not very comfortable with this when the price moves too far away from the moving average. It should have some kind of return to the mean kind of activity going on soon. So just be aware if you're trading gold, it might have a serious pullback soon. Okay, again, I try not to make this too long. Yeah, subscribe, share my video, and check out my older videos.